How to record audio in Canva. So if you want to record audio in Canva, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your browser and go with Canva. Now under Canva, you just need simply make sure that you're logged in. And after that, you can go with a video or design, any design that you're comfortable with. So once you have your project, what you need to do is just simply go with share, which is on the top right, and you will have more option or see all option. You need to go with see all, and here you need to scroll down, and here you will have an option to present and record. So if you have the option, then you can just simply go with present and record. But if you don't have the option right here, then what you can do is just simply go with audio, which is here on the bottom, and you may have the record option right here. But mostly if you go with share option, then here you will have the more option, and then you will have present and record right here. So you just need to simply click on present and record and then go with recording studio, and you need to go with start editing. Start recording. So if you want to add your camera also, you can simply go and turn it on, or you can just simply go with mic, and after that click on start recording and it will record. So that's how you can record audio in your Canva, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.